Hello friends, this video is about the action king of the martial arts, Bruce Lee. Upon hearing the name Bruce Lee, the things that come up in our mind are nunchuck, two-finger push-ups, discipline, martial arts and many more. We guys know that Bruce Lee is not only famous for his martial arts but also for his philosophy. We will see about this icon right from his birth till his demise. Bruce Lee was born on November 27th in the year 1940 in San Francisco, California to a Chinese father, Li Hui-chuen, and a Eurasian mother, Grace Ho, as a fourth child. Lee received the name Bruce from a nurse at the hospital he was born. Lee's father was a star of Cantonese opera, which is a Chinese opera. Lee was introduced to the film industry by his father. He acted in roughly 20 films as a child actor, beginning in 1946. He started his acting career at the age of 3 months as an American baby in the movie Golden Gate Girl in the year 1941. He also studied dance, won Hong Kong's Cha-Cha competition. In 1953, he began to sharpen his passions into a discipline, studying Kung Fu under the teaching of Master Ip Man in Hong Kong. He moved back to US by the end of the decade. Lee finished his high school in Washington and enrolled as a philosophy major at the University of Washington. He also got a job to teach the Wing Chun style of martial arts that he had learned in Hong Kong. Through his teaching, Lee met Linda Emery, whom he married in 1964. By that time, Lee had opened his own martial arts school in Seattle. He found a new hybrid martial art called Jeet Kune Do. He was a devoted teacher. Meanwhile, Lee and Linda had two children, Brandon, born in 1965, and Shannon, born in 1969. Lee gained celebrity measure with his role in television series The Green Hornet from 1966 to 1967. He made guest appearances in TV shows such as Ironside and Longstreet. He got a notable film role in 1969's Marlowe. As Lee was devoted to a variety of workouts and physical training, he suffered from major back injury and he gradually got recovered from it. The movie Big Boss, also known as Fist of Fury in US, was released in 1971, which were blockbusters. His famous movies are Enter the Dragon, Fist of Fury, Way of the Dragon. 1 month before the premiere of the movie Enter the Dragon, Bruce Lee died in Hong Kong, just at the age of 32. Even though his death was suspicious, officially it had been claimed due to cerebral edema. There are many controversies regarding Lee's death. Let's not go deeper into that, because it's not good to talk when we have no evidence. More than this, Lee had taught many things to us through his life. Lee, the philosopher, set many ways for a successful life. Wiser thoughts at young age is not normal for a mankind, but his thoughts suits every man in this world. His saying, "To hell with circumstances, I create opportunities," is the one that leads to achieve the dream or goal. Only when we have the chance to prove ourselves, there will be situations through which we can learn ourselves, one can have self-study, correct oneself, visualize one's positive and negative, self-correction could be done, and then finally, reaching one's destination. Lee never minded about the external things that he regarded as immaterial, and he valued himself as the greatest treasure, the skills, the talents he possessed. He strongly believed that a successful man is just a normal man, but having a very deep and narrow focus. Focus should not be a vague one. Lastly, the most appropriate saying from him, "Life teaches every day, every second, and we are the constant learners. The mistake we commit today will make tomorrow a precious one, provided the same mistake is not repeated again, and the learning from that mistake should not be forgotten, because practical knowledge is more powerful." Reaching world-level stardom at the young age is not possible without efforts, sacrifices, hardships, or failures. Bruce Lee, The name itself has a power in it while we pronounce. Not only the name Bruce Lee, his sayings, his teachings, his martial arts do live beyond time. Hope we gave a brief visualization about the majestic hero Bruce Lee and powered you up with his life history. Have a successful life. Remember that so-called successful life is not successful without any failures. The more you fail, the more you succeed. Please do support our channel Get Ready by giving a thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. Thank you.